IS3 Pauming Tabir Simutaram Nocture, who's a Maru Pau. Chief Minister Naluchingba political party Sigimi Husina Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh Una Cray. Manipur Gilam in Chiama Pawa Mang Bayari Habit Hazaba Pirclay. Housi Punga Pau. Border fencing na Manipur Gilam Mang Bayabagi Pibam Lagli Basida. Chief Minister Naluchingba political party Singimi Sinangase. Numijunga Matung Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh Amasung. Home Minister Susil Kumar Sinde Unaduna. Manipur Gilam Mangandana Patakshin Cray. Delhi dagi phangma pauda delegation team asina memorandum amasu Prime Minister da pisinduna leibak anigi ngamkhai gi chayet nariba si athuba matam da loshinba ngamkhai gi chayet na balai riba makai border fencing gi thabak leban binaba pukatke Prime Minister na iswasi da lumna lobaga loinana leibaga sigilam inchi ama phawba pitok pa yaroi haiba achet pathajaba pirakhe Home Minister nasu iswasi da ministry na yengsinduna lokhat pa yaba thabak lokhat kani haiba gi thajaba pirakle haire Government and street vendors singi Chanaba state policy semi bagi mahuta ngayhak laitana makoi bu phu chaiduna tan bathong ase street vendors singi hak sarkar na ikai khumnadabani haina ward ke secretary mangsatabam sobita na phongdokre Khwairaman Kaitel lambi matai da pofam phambilu ward UNM NEDF PPS SSD Village Women Coordinating Committee Conflict Widow Forum amadi New Life Foundation sinduna press club ta ngasi pangthokhiba street vendors singi hak ki matangda khana Nabaki Thorom the Fongdokibane. Thoromasida social scientist Dr. Danabri Laishram, UNM G Secretary Unavakishor Susarugiake. Sovitana Makatana Fongdokibada, street vendor sing Imung Manung Puribane, Makoibu, Koitan Tanbagi, Mahud, Maning Tamna Pot Jay Yolana Batabak Lokat Pituna, Makoigi Himnabagi Hag, Ikai Kumnabi Banachungani Hake.
Manipur's mass Asida, any Atobo issue Tolpada, Tawdamaya de had Tawdan Loguna, so Toriba Masin Asida. Ngahakitana opinaiba sathaba ase nasi ekoina violence against women ni haidan haibin nubi mayota sathaba adulaba crime amani haidan lawjaduna oisu oiribani aduna masi international for night observation protesting violence against women malensin batuna nupida miwon minai sathaba ya roi haiba adulaba sigi otranai bazatari basigi mayota Leptuna, Pritini Sinbatuna, November Town, Pumanga, Asen, Vida, Vigi Marta Sataba, Tobiaro, Hadamaya, Yagaraba, Topa, Laban, Amani. Ukhrul District Headquarter dagi kilometer kuntra mangarom chatlaga chingai kendra gi manung chana lairiba haumi khulgi khunja singi awa nungai amasung awat pasing UCM gi Vice President Chandramani Khuman Chana luchingba kangbu amana hakthengna chatuna yengsinkre khongchada sida UCM gi General Secretary Joy Chandra Konthaujam su sarugya khe UCM gi maikei dagi khunja singda solar street lamp ama kangkhal amasung maru marang sing yentokhe khunja singna phongdorakpada achingba kaya thambadagi kendra gi MLA Fawba Mafam Ase Hanna Fawba Yengbidabadagi Khunja Singh Awaba Kaya Mayoknare Lambi Thongi Phibam Phattabana Khunja Singhi Punsi Mahingda Ahongba Purakpa Ngamdri Hare Vice President Chandramani na Aikhoi Naksinariba Makai Integrity Sagatpa amasung Unity Leiba Hengane UCM gi motto oiriba Peace Integrity amasung Unity gi makhada Khunja Singhda angamba mating pibane Khunja Singhi awara passing mari lainabada khanganduna thabak oina onthoknaba taksingani haike
Singmi tami yam ngalingay matamdagi amato ina leminaramba aduga ngasina leifam chaponggi matungina aikoi lapthok nakhiba adubu punumaksi aikoi amatani haibagi wakhalonda United Committee Manipur gi motto da yauriba Peace Integrity and Unity haiba motto sigi makhada United Singa sisu aikoi chawkhatna magi damakta akanma koi pressure asi mari leina khudimukta pijegani haibo famsi thamjari
Tera Lukram Directagi Takelambam Ongbi Devzadi Lekidabagi Matangda Rims Authority na inquiry sathaba maral laga tumina lesin khibabu yaningdaba phongdokpa oina lagliba tangma pandagi Tera Lukram Direct amade sangai pro fauduna chatliba FCS godown taba lambi pumnamak thingzilagani seng sini amata putok pusin tawhollaroi haina misi asigi matangda semkhiba JC ki charol amana hare jangsilakadoriba khongjang asibu saugatpiba oina Manipurda teng sini pusilakpa pa amadi tongan tongan ba district sing da putok khinabagi damak Sangai Pro FCS godown gi akoi bada khamduna leiriba pot puba gari pumnamak tang mapan gi mamang da lokthok khinaba amadi numit asida gi anauba pot puba gari sing sangsilaktana ba khangalakle haujumaki oina di athingba sida lukram lerakta leiba St Joseph School amadi ate school singa mari leina ba chatok chashin tawba singdadi konsiloi hare hauja tempe talojari break matung na mutaram nokchari renewable energy na khungangi lamsing mai thanba masung sel thonggi phibam phagatna bagi matang da workshop ama Imphal gi classic hotel da pangthokre thoramasida development consultant private group ke director Dr SP Gonchokduri micro guide technical advisor Michael Takwel F India program manager CS Naidan Susarugya ke workshop asida manireda power department amadi NGO kaya Susarugya ke wangang khibasingna electricity asi changraba yadraba posak amani mini guides puthokuna arapa mafam kaya da yauba ngamanba amadi praja kayana bill thidabagi chanabi ama wangna leiriba asi miyaunga wari sanaduna sarkar amadi NGO pumnamak chatminaraba matungda mai pakpa ngamgani haina phongdoknake workshop asigi matangda WSDS ke administrative officer lamkhamang kibgena wafum kayasu phongdokhe
community level da hoina not just giving quality of life from solar microgrid how we can promote alternative livelihood sources income suppose a may phangadi the household can take up additional weaving activities more longer hours to weave at night if we go through public private partnership mother the community burden 90% less aduna that remaining gap of 10% ARC and WSDS can meet that demand requirement. When the government existing schemes, existing available resources in Punsin Laga, microgrid, home lighting, the microgrid system, first meeting.
F Finance ki project manager Tris Naidal na workshop asina kanaba kaya pibangamgani amurom da manung hanjin ba mafam kaya da miyam na thengnari ba kudong chadaba sing sarkar NGO amadi miyam puna chatminarabadi kokhan bangamgani phongdokhe.
Now, that's a good technical solution, but there's barriers to it, and many of them were raised today in the workshop. And a big one is the upfront cost, and that's the easier barrier, because that's one that there is money out there, there are subsidies, there is capital that could be used for that. The harder problem is how do you take this, even if it's low maintenance like solar, it's still a complex technology, it's a very dynamic thing. It needs to be monitored, it needs to be maintained, and money needs to be collected from the communities to pay for the operations and maintenance of it. So it's that gap there, not just building something and walking away. If you do that, then it's not going to work, and the community will be very angry, and everybody will say, solar doesn't work. So there needs to be this missing link that's filled, and we think that organizations like WSDS, community-based organizations, local institutions, have the ability, if given the right training and capacity, to play that role.
Additional Deputy Project Office Jiribamna Achievement of Rising Mendenga Kusamnaduna World Disability Day gi thoram ngarang Jiribam da pangthuke thoramasida Additional Deputy Project Officer TS Ketuki Parents Association gi President S Jadov DI Jiribam CI Sunamani Jiribam Ward number mapan gi Councillor Ais Mina Devi su sarukya ke hauja amukana tembe antang lawjare break matungna me amukana taram nokchare Manipur State Cooperative Bank ki Chief Executive Officer Haptabagi Mayokta Primary Agriculture Credit Structure Community ki mifamna December 3 ki numidang pung taruk tagi tang mapan gi numidang pung taruk phawba Manipur pumba pung nifunipan ki general strike kauragani haina Working Committee ki President S Nilokomol gi charol amada hare khongjang asida dharma karma ana ayak singidi komthokani hare All Manipur Working Journalists Union gi mioi marina saba mihut kangbu ama Assam gi Indo-Bhutan border da leiba Baksa da ecotourism chakot hanana bagi matang da pangthokhiba nongmagi oiba seminar da saruk yarure Manas Chowki Ecotourism Society Baksa amasung Journalists Union of Assam anina pangthokhiba seminar aduda maru oina Bharat amasung Bhutan border da leiriba Baksa da ecotourism chakot handuna awang nongpok Bharat da tourism chakot hanabagi mateng ohenbada natana mafam adugi yelhomi singna masana masabu senthok lambi leja hananaba honabada achabu mateng ama oinabani seminar aduda amjugi team da yawba asem bhaktana design tawba landscape gardening design ki photo kun su utke hauze maroiba pau Chief Minister Luchingba political party singi miho singna Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh unakre Manipur gi lam inchi ama phawba mangba yaro habagi thajaba pirakle ISTV pawming tabir basingbo amukana khurum jare